Hey there, welcome to X1 Marketing Inc. In the next few minutes, I'll share some simple tips to help you optimize your Google business profile. Now, did you know that your Google business profile it's like your online storefront? And a optimized profile, boosts your visibility and it can really build trust with your potential customers. So right now, let's make sure that yours stands out. Hey, first things first, complete your profile. Fill in your business name, address, phone number, website, and hours of operation. Every detail does matter. The more you can put on your business profile, the better for you and your business. Next, add high quality photos. Show off your business, its products, its services. Great images that you put on there, they'll just attract more customers and give it an overall a more professional touch. Also, encourage all your existing happy customers to leave you a review. And then, whatever you do, don't forget to respond to that review. Even if you get a negative review, you want to make sure you respond. Maybe in a fashion like, we're sorry to hear about your recent experience. It's not our normal business practice, so forth and so on. Google just wants to see you engaging with your customers. Even if it is a negative review, make sure you respond. Keep your profile fresh with regular updates. Share new offers, events, or any important business updates. This will really keep your audience engaged and informed. A lot of people forget about this and they usually do more social media stuff, and then they forget about the largest search engine in the world, Google, and don't put any of their updates or posts onto their Google business profile. Now, finally, you want to use relevant keywords. You want to use them in your business description and in your services and products and any terminology that goes with your business that can help it really pop in search results. It makes it a lot easier for the customers to find you. There are many more things you can do to optimize your business profile. Do you need some help with it? We can actually help rank your Google business profile, using some methods like citations, link building, geo-tags, and really just a whole bunch of techie stuff. But it does work, absolutely works. Now, the first thing we need to do is just schedule a quick 15-minute Zoom meeting to be 100% sure that we can help your business and that we're the right fit for you. Just click the button below for the available days and times. Hey, thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more tips and updates coming from X1 Marketing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.